Hi guys, I'm with Fiona and we are going to do some nice zebra print nails, and I have obviously sculpted them. There's so many videos like how to do the sculpted set, so today I will just show you how I'm doing the design. Okay, so on this nail we are going to paint it white, and I'm going to use the 173, which is Tic Tac white. I'm just applying this beautiful white. You can put it inside. On this nail we are going to do white French, and this nail is going to be full white as well. So before I'm painting the gel polish, I kind of give it another extra push to the cuticles, because during the shaping they can always move a little bit, the nail folds. And then straight away I'm going to do a French manicure on this one. So for French we will go use the Paint on French gel and my angular brush. I'm picking up a small amount of it and then go into the one corner, go into the second corner, once the corners are checked and the height is the same, I'm just going to do a V shape and then work out on my smile line. So when I'm working with the Paint on French gel and I want to have a nice and neat smile line, I'm kind of pushing the product where I wanted it, same like we would push the product around the cuticle area. Okay, then smooth out. You can also check the client view, because always the French looks so much different from the client view. So I check the client view. Yeah. I'm just going to touch up a little bit more. We wanted it to be really nice and perfect. Change. On this one, a second coat of the white. Change. And then I've got time to also clean my brush as well, and I show you guys what you have to do it, because otherwise the white will contaminate the black, and you really don't want that. Second layer of my white. Perfect. Change. And dip in the brush into the foil design gel. So that's what I'm always using, like I'm working with those gels, and I want to dip it in and clean it off on my wipe. If I don't do it, I will have still some white in there. You can see it, the black turned gray. So this is a good tip for you guys. If you want to swap the colors, you have to always clean your brush with the color you are going to use it next. Okay, drop of it again, and now we are going to paint the black French. So again, corner of the smile line, another corner of the smile line, then check the height of the of the corners, and if they are the same, you can start working into your V shape. So this way you find the middle of the nail. And then once we've got the middle of the nail, okay, we can start creating our smile line. And it's a pretty time-consuming process if we want to have it nice. And I usually hold my breath like to get it nice and straight. Okay, check the client view. Can I see it? This corner. Okay, thank you. So I just need to touch up a little bit more. I want to be really fussy with this set today. Perfect. Change. And then we can start painting the zebra print. So I'm going to use my D-liner brush and the foil design gel for the animal print. So I'm just painting the animal print. And don't try to make them exactly the same, like it's not going to look nice if we make them too similar. So like make them all slightly different. So then another place which is joining here. Then the shorter one. We missed something in there. Something in there, going even in between that. Just going to touch up this one. Guys, you see me often using my, I'm so bad, I actually need to get those foam palette ring. They are useful. In a salon when there is a rush, sometimes I don't put it. So we have painted the animal print, and I'm going to paint also the similar design on the French part. So with the French part you have to be more careful because you want to only paint it on the white parts, okay? Like you don't want to go outside the other parts. So keep it nice and steady. Just make this one slightly bigger. And then we can cook it. Okay, quickly paint animal print on this one as well. Actually, I think it will look quite nice in different different animal prints as well. So similar kind of designs, but done with the leopard print as well. Not only the zebra one. Can just touch it up so it's nice and even. If you start feeling you having a difficulty painting with your brush, I suggest you clean off the products, because that means the brush is too heavy loaded with the paint. and then you will be struggle to paint a nice and thin lines. Okay, and the last couple one, so here will be a single one again. Make it neater. And then the other side. So this side is always more difficult. I'm scared the brush might flick, and then it will destroy the entire look. Also, change your hands. We don't want that. And the last part we have to do it, guys, is just to put a tiny wee gems in there. So for the gems application, I'm going to use the base gel. So I have just put a tiny bit of the base gel in here. Clean my brush, and we are going to apply it close to the cuticles. So a couple drops of the base gel, crystals, then the top coat, and that's this beautiful design finished. As I say, guys, you have to go and check how I'm doing the fresh sculpted set or how I'm doing the rebalance as well. There is lots of tutorials on this channel. If you didn't watch them, you have to do it. And also, if you're new in here, hit the subscribe button to don't miss any future tutorials. And for the existing subscribers, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could hit those share buttons, just so we can get a little bit change, more exposure. I will really appreciate that. Also, thank you so much to the girls which are keep doing it constantly. Like I see you guys on Facebook like sharing all the videos. Jen, Steph, thank you so much. I do really appreciate it. This is really nice and means a lot to me. And I promise, like, I will do some maybe live video once the summertime is finished, like, because we have been camping, we have been doing all sorts of different crazy things. So I hope once the weather change a little bit, I will be finding some extra time to do some live video for you and answer all the questions, because the amount of the comments, guys, you are leaving change after each video is unbelievable, and I really want to answer all those questions. Okay, and the last part for this design is like a touch, and we will apply this beautiful caviar beads as well. They are also listed on our website. You can guys get them from actually all the products which I have used today, you can get it from our website, which is www.dorotapalitzka.com. So I'm just applying. I know they are hardly visible, but I think they are just making the nails so much prettier. So 1 caviar beads on each crystals, and then 3 tiny ones on the sides, just to make this design even prettier. There is also a set of my nails. They are actually wrecked now after all the camping and doing clients. I actually was crazy busy change. I didn't have the time to, when we put the video, I don't have as much time, guys, to answer all your beautiful comments, but I promise, like, I will get them, like, even if you didn't get the answer from me, I do get all that answered once we do the live video. Okay, so the gems and change. I love this set. Nice, eh? And it goes with your elegant clothes. Guys, Fiona, I've got always such nice clothes. Like even today, like she came in the top. I'm jealous about it, but she dropped me links to the website, so I will be having, I will be spending probably a fortune as well on the nice clothes again. But yeah, so I'm just applying the top coat over this beautiful design. And we have also used the dark. I actually show you guys what color we have used it for the background. So it's a cover gel, the fiber gel, and it was a dark nude, and I love this. Like I have it on my nails, like, and I think it's so fantastic and beautiful color change. So I will just apply the top coat on this one as well. Like make sure you go really very close to the crystals, so they stays in like very close, like kind of shaky motion. So the crystals are nicely secure. And then top coat over the zebra print. And then I show you the gel I have used as well. So slide this hand on top of your other hand. And the gel which we have used is a dark nude. Is that the dark nude? No, that's the light rose. That's a dark nude one. So you can see it, guys. It has a really nice, strong coverage to it. And I really love it on the client's nails. Anyway, I'm going to show you the final look and then take a beautiful thumbnail picture for this set which we have created today. So that's the entire finished look. Sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.